Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the SUMIF function in Excel. This powerful function allows you to sum the values in a range that meets specific criteria. The SUMIF function is incredibly useful when you need to analyze data and perform conditional summarizations. Today, we'll use a practical business example to show you how it works. Let's start with the basics of the SUMIF function. The syntax is straightforward. Equals SUMIF, range, criteria, sum range. Here's what each part means. The range is the group of cells you want to evaluate. The criteria is the condition that must be met for a cell to be included in the sum. The sum range is the group of cells to summarize if different from the range. Now, let's look at our example. We have a list of dates in column A and their corresponding sales in column B. Our goal is to sum up the total sales for dates that are greater than a specific date. In this example, today minus 7 days. Here's our table. Column A lists the dates, and column B lists the sales figures for each date. In cell D2, we'll enter our SUMIF formula. Start by typing $SUMIF, open parentheses. Next, we need to specify the range of cells we want to evaluate. In this case, it's column A, which contains the dates. So, we type A:A, followed by a comma. Now, we need to add our criteria. We want to sum the sales for dates that are greater than today minus 7 days. Let's assume today is July 14th, 2024. The start date would be July 8th, 2024. So, we type quotation mark, greater than, quotation mark, the $n sign, today, open parentheses, closed parentheses, minus 7. We could also replace the today function by referencing a specific date or cell. For example, we could replace the today function with a reference to cell A8. Finally, we need to specify the range of cells to sum. In this case, it's column B, which contains the sales figures. So, we type B:B, followed by closed parentheses. The complete formula in cell D2 is displayed on the screen. Press Enter, and Excel will return the total sales for dates from the current week onwards. And there you have it. We've successfully used the SUMIF function to sum the total sales for dates that are greater than or equal to the current week's start date. The SUMIF function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios to perform conditional summing based on numbers, text, dates, or other criteria. That's it for today's tutorial on the SUMIF function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.